So I am in Montego Bay, Jamaica. I'm so excited. I am at a resort. So obviously this is my bed. It's pretty late, so it's dark in here. It's around dinner time. Definitely going to go eat after this. So yeah, I'm just going to turn around and just show you guys the room. So over here is a nice closet, nice size closet. Right next to it is a small refrigerator with water and drinks and all of that good stuff. And right across from the bed is just my little TV and little study area. A nice long mirror as well. So it's just a bathroom over here, nice little bathroom just for me, perfect, just for me. Some nice towels and the menu and a spa menu as well. I'm definitely going to do a spa this time. And this is the menu, like I said, in activities and restaurants. Here are all the restaurants and the times they're open. Yummy. This looks so good. It's like shrimp and different scallops. I'm not sure. And mashed potatoes. Looks so good. And this is dessert, coconut mango. Yummy, looks so good. It's so gorgeous outside. We'll walk around the pool, show you guys. Like, it's so hilly, like a lot of mountains and stuff. It's so beautiful. Walking towards the water. There's a pool out here, a bar, restaurants. Okay, let me show you. It's so gorgeous. Okay, look at the water. It's so pretty. Look at all the mountains.
One more.
Look at this. This is so gorgeous. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It's so gorgeous. Wow. Jamaica. Alright, I'm going to take you guys to the lobby area. Let's go. It's like a big outside area. It's so pretty. Look at the ceiling, it's so cool. This is my breakfast. I'm having an egg omelet, some curry chicken, dumplings, and yam, right? Okay. And this is Amoya?
Amoya. The dumpling.
So she's my little tour guide, and she's going to show me a sister hotel at Secrets. And we're having breakfast. Isn't she cute? She's so pretty. Oh, this is beautiful.
Now check this out. Look at the beach.
It's beautiful.
No. So you got the bed on the beach. You're not gonna want to get up. No. So you come this section now. If you get this room right here, no, you're coming out to your pool. It's a beautiful pool. And it's still have a jacuzzi on the outside. I'm scared. Down here you have a lot of starfish. Let me see if I find any for you. Look at this one there. You have another one over here. That one over here.
It's lunchtime, so I'm having jerk chicken, mixed vegetables, potatoes, and corn, and carrot juice. And I'm outside. past year, I have loved myself more than I've ever have. I actually took the risk of traveling solo, only to find myself at my happiest, finding my most inner peace, and not depending on other people to love me. Wow. I find the joy in knowing that I can completely trust myself without any doubt. Today I would tell my younger self, girl, it's okay to have fear, as long as you take the necessary steps to overcome those fears. You are responsible for making your own dreams come true. It's unfair to put that on anyone else.
It's a bad man thing, yeah.
Hi guys, it's me, Kinky Styles 1980. I hope everyone is doing well. So I am in beautiful Montego Bay, Jamaica, and today is actually my birthday as well. So anyways, I want to just chat with you guys for a little bit. But first, I would like to do a quick meditation with you guys. And I want you to take 3 deep breaths, and I want you to just think about some of the things that you're grateful for. Let's go. Alright guys, I hope you feel a lot better. I hope you feel very nice and calm. I hope you have a great day or a great night. So anyways, I have a quote that I want to share with you guys. And then after that, I'm just going to talk about how I relate to this quote. Alright, so here we go. Let's find it on my phone. Alright, so the quote starts out with, "Hey you. Yes, you. Stop being unhappy with yourself. You are perfect. Stop wishing you look like someone else or wishing people like you like they like someone else. Stop trying to get attention from those who hurt you. Stop hating your body, your face, your personality, your quirks. Love them. Without these things, you wouldn't be you. And why would you want to be someone else anyways? Be confident with who you are. Smile. It will draw people in. If someone hates on you because you are happy with yourself, then stick them the middle finger in the air and say, screw it. My happiness will not depend on others anymore. I'm happy because I love who I am. I love my flaws. I love my imperfections. They make me me. And me is pretty amazing." Alright guys, so I just want to chat for just a little bit about this quote. Number one, I love this quote, okay? So anyways, if you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that I am a divorcee. I've been single for 4 years now. The past year has been super amazing. Why do I say that? So the past year I have decided to start taking solo trips on my own. So this is how it started. Last year for my birthday, I planned a trip with my girlfriends to Cancun, Mexico, and all of my girlfriends bailed out of the trip. So I was thinking, should I go by myself? I was so scared, but I really wanted to still go on this trip. So one day I was, you know, just strolling through Instagram, and I seen this post, and it says, every day do something that fears you. And of course I was afraid of going on this trip, and I went ahead and took that quote advice, and I went on my trip. That was the most amazing trip that I have ever been on solo, okay? And ever since then, I've done it again and again. I went to Bahamas by myself, and now I'm here in beautiful Jamaica alone by myself, and I'm having a wonderful time. When I went to Bahamas, I did a lot of soul searching. I really needed that trip at that time, so I'm so glad that I went. And this trip, I went with no fear. I already knew what to expect, and I am having a great time. So I just want to come out here really quick and just tell you guys, if you want to go on a trip by yourself, you can definitely do that. There's no reason to be afraid. People would say, oh, Cancun is so dangerous, Jamaica is so dangerous, be careful, don't go. But those same people won't even go on a trip with you. So what do? You still need to live your life. You know, you can't wait on people. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. So I advise that you use your common sense. You know, even if you're in your neighborhood, you have to be aware of your surroundings. You know, if you decide to go to the grocery store and you need to ride back home, you're not gonna get in the car with a stranger, right? You're going to catch the cab, or you're gonna get on the city bus. You're gonna be smart about it. You're going to use your common sense. So there's nothing scary about traveling alone. It's just using common sense and being precautious and being aware of your surroundings. If I was home and I wanted to go downtown in my neighborhood, I wouldn't do anything that would put myself in danger. Same thing if I travel outside of the country. This is the way I look at it. Your dreams are your dreams, and you can't depend on anyone else to make your dreams come true. That would be very unfair, and that would be very unrealistic. Anyways, I just wanted to share that with you guys, and I just want to say that I love you guys so much. One love. Yeah, man. Peace.
I'm feeling all this, you already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder, 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 murder me. You a murder, 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 murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, so make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, have His mercy. Hey. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder, 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 murder me. You a murder, 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 murder me. So make you give them, girl. So make you show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl, you can stand by me anywhere all day, girl. You're a naughty, naughty girl. You're a naughty, naughty girl. Oh,
So this particular night, I wanted to try something different, so I decided to go ahead and go to a Chinese restaurant at the resort. So first I start off with a light appetizer, and then I had some nice hot soup. After that, my main meal was sweet and sour chicken, fried rice, and some steamed vegetables. It was so good. And of course, I had a little bit of room left for some desserts. And dessert was a fried banana with vanilla ice cream, and it was so good. Hi guys, so it's windy outside, so I'm just gonna go take a walk. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing, just something really comfortable. And then I'm going to have lunch. I have my gold sandals, and yeah, little shorts. Feeling a little feeling myself this morning. Yes. So for lunch, I had curry goat. It was so good. My favorite meal for sure. No lie. So yummy.
Yes, enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me ya, say she give me pour me ya. In a ya, say she give me in a ya. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my wine in me grinding, I don't think so.